Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi setting in our Tecno phone device. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you remove your Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone. Means guys you want to forget guys your Wi-Fi network so guys you can forget it, and guys now let's see how to forget Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. In this video guys I am going to show you. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to forget our Wi-Fi network which we have connected. Then guys you can see your Wi-Fi settings. So guys tap you on your Wi-Fi settings. So guys you can see guys we have connected this Mukesh Wi-Fi network, and guys I want to forget. So guys how can you forget guys? You can see guys this Mukesh. So guys press on your guys Wi-Fi network, and guys you can see your forget option. So guys you can forget from here. So I will tap on forget it because it's not working properly. So guys when your Wi-Fi do not work properly, so guys you should forget it, and guys again guys click on your Wi-Fi and guys enter your password and connect. Then guys it will work properly. Like example guys I'm telling you guys, you can do it if you want. So I will forget my Wi-Fi network, I will connect after that. So I hope friends you have understood how to forget Wi-Fi network in a Technophone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.